How to add security settings to your WhatsApp. Log into your WhatsApp application. Click on the three top right dots shown. Click Settings. Tap on Account. Tap on Security Notification. Turn on the security notification. Now step out and tap on Two Steps Verification. Click Turn On and set your password, including your email address, for verification. That's awesome! You can now step out and locate your privacy settings. Tap Fingerprint Lock and set up your finger. Once you are done, click on Immediately. Alright, let's check how it works. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe for more.